Harry. How?
The other day, one woman named Ishawna do a song named Equal Rights. So what do you think about it?
Equal rights and justice.
Yeah.
A chap when you want to put bat in a man's face and then sitting there.
What?
Bag of thing.
But no man feels.
Yeah.
Want the money.
You know, say the same woman they make man now want drink back juice and Pepsi again.
True or no?
We say the one.
Cause she has say the
Oh.
man them suck it like a back juice and drink it like a Pepsi.
The woman has said so.
Yeah.
Remember, man, I want to go drinking back juice.
That's equal rights, that's what
Power kind of society. You take me for that, man. What kind of equal right power kind of society? What kind of way? If I right, because right can't come to be wrong. Nastiness, God don't believe in a nastiness, sodomite business, you know. They want to give them back to us. Back to us. No, nastiness, you can't deal with nastiness before I deal with father, you know. Or some nastiness and nastiness, you know. But right power, what kind of way? So, if some man say they like me and pussy,
A film likes that.
you can't kill him.
So what you think about equal rights?
We might tell about back juice. What you could do in nasty rascal.
What if we suck you like a bat?
Fucking bright.
No Pepsi thing, brother.
Right.
Man them afraid to drink back juice, you know.
Man. This is no pussy. This is no pussy, you know. Remember, it's no pussy tan, so you have blood clot like when I can't hold pussy in my hand.
Yeah, girls, yeah, them.
A bug juice that name.